Arrays for kids. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about arrays. What is an array? An array is a group of objects arranged in rows and columns. Arrays help us count objects quickly. Prepare us for multiplication. Let us see an example. There are 3 columns. There are 2 rows. Counting an array. Let's count all the stars together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 stars. Repeated addition. There are 3 stars in the first row and 3 stars in the second row. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Multiply rows and columns. We have 2 rows and 3 columns. 3 multiply 2 equals 6. Array Challenge 1. Array Challenge 2. Great job! Download the free worksheet from the description below. To try more questions. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.